Hey friends, if you encounter the error, this product installation has been corrupted on Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolution. So here's what you have to do. First of all, search for disk cleanup in the Windows search bar and then go to disk cleanup. Click on OK. Check all of the boxes here. Clean up system files. OK. And let it clean. Basically, you are removing all remainder files. And then you can check all of these boxes again. And then click on OK and then delete files. So you need to clean up any remains, and this is the easiest way to do that. It will also clear junk and files in the recycle bin. Now wait till it's done, and after that, instead of installing it from the website, try to search it on the Microsoft Store. We'll go to the Microsoft Store, okay, and then we will search for it. Let's say the application is, let's say it's Roblox. Go to it and install it from the store, not from the original website. But if it is not available on the store, then you can consider the original website. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.